Hello everyone, I am making this video where you will learn about how to use a webhook to get the data of your orders from Quickzu into your Google Sheet. Previously, we have used different methods like Zapier and Pabbly automation platform, but today I'm going to tell you a free way which you can use to get all your Quickzu order data into your Google Sheet. So what you need to do is go to create a Excel sheet. We'll name it Quickzu test sheet and go to extension, go to add-on and click on add-on. So now you need to search for Webhook for Sheets. Go to this, and this is the app. This is the add-on app script which you need to install. Now we'll click on this. We'll again click on this. Once you do this step, you need to allow this. So this app script will have permissions to access your Google account, which has been granted to this app. Now you need to refresh your Google Sheet, and you need to do it, throughout and all the steps I will be telling. So you need to do refresh many times. So now we have got it. Now click on this. Once you click on this, you will find this option. Since we are using the sheet one is selected. Now click on create. Now you need to enable AppScript API into your Google account, for which I will click on enable. It will take me to the setting page. Here I will just enable. Let me get back here. Once you enable that, click on next, and you need to refresh it, and you need to refresh the sheet again. As I told you, I will go back to this add-on, and I will click on create. Now you see it's asking for few steps, which is reload this spreadsheet, then click on Webhook custom icon. So I will just refresh it again. You will see a new menu item is there, which is Webhook. So if you see step 2 is click on Webhook custom menu and choose authorize. So I will just click on authorize. I will click on continue. I will click on again on this. So it will ask me for few permission. I will click on allow. Once the authorization is done, I will reload the spreadsheet again. I will just click on here. You can see now the authorization is done. Now click on next. Once you click on next, there is a webhook we got. Now triple click on this and it's selected. You can use the copy sheet also. You can just refresh it once again. Now you can see the webhook option is not showing here, and this option is showing here. Okay, fine. So I think this authorization has been done, and just copy this one. Now go to your account, go to your Quickzu account, go to API settings, API and webhook, click on here and click on save. Once you save it, it will show success, and here in sheet you got these values, which is test and okay. Just delete these values. Now let's try to as an order. So I will just click on that and we'll go to the front end and we'll try to order something up. So I will just add something up. Fine. So and then I will add something. I have added number, some demo address or something like that, and once I click on order on WhatsApp, it will take me to the WhatsApp API. But same time you will get the same thing on your order page. You can see it is 84329. If you go to this, in the URL you will see this is your order ID, okay, and this is the detail of the order, okay, and the same thing you will see on the live order feed also here, right? So every order which is being done now that will come to your Google Sheet. You can see this is the same sheet where order has been came, right? So if you go, you can see all these order details are here. Not just that, you need to just select this, go data cleanup and trim the white space. Now, now you can see we have this payload data, we have data type, and also this date and time, uh, numbers and everything up here. So I will just click off here. So now this looks good to me. If you go here, we have this operation which is create, which is then we have the order ID, then the payload ID, then the pending. Now, another thing is every order will be sent to this webhook. Whenever you try to change this order from pending to accepted, that will be also will be sent here. The thing is, order ID is unique in that case. So you can do a filtering if you are, using that because we are using the same Webhook to send both the data. The rest thing will not come into this payload because everything will be empty. The only status will be changed. So any new order you will do from here, it will come to this and their status will be updated again if you do this on the dashboard. So guys, you can use this, Google Sheet to WhatsApp API or anything you find on the add-on section. Just do add those because from the sheet to message sheet to Twilio, I'm not sure if that API we have or not, but you can connect to Twilio. So from your Google Sheet, you can send any kind of message, or everything is free. So look for those free apps, and even if you want to send something through WhatsApp, I would suggest search for WhatsApp app, and you will find some of the free app like WhatsApp Sheet automation and all. So that will really help you to do a lot of thing into your order details. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much, and soon we will be telling you about different APIs, like how you can update order through API. So you can change any order through API, not by doing here, which can be very useful for you to do some kind of automation or do some kind of making your own kind of dashboard or something like that, or mobile app like that, to change orders, getting the orders and all. So this API, this webhook can be used basically all the orders, so you can make your own mobile application for that. And sending this data to database, you can connect it with any notification server or something. So you might have demand of different feature, and I believe using webhook and API, you can develop your own custom features